In a previous video, we showed how easy it is to remove one desktop and install another one. We removed xfce4 and we installed Cinnamon. Now I'm thinking, what if, and there are many people who like GNOME, what if I want to have GNOME rather than Cinnamon? And budgie and deeping, right? And. It all boils down to knowing what you should get. Arch, wiki, GNOME. Always the Arch wiki. 2 words to type and then something behind it. Arch wiki. And you'll find here that you need to have certain packages, and these are group packages. Look at the URL down here. Down here you see something black and it says groups. GNOME extra groups. Now this is what you get if you type in sudo pacman -s group extras, but do you really need it? Personally, I'm gonna say what I would like to have. The dconf-editor is something I'd like. File roller maybe, sure, yes. Glade only when you start programming. GNOME boxes if you want something else as VirtualBox. And all the games, I'll let you choose the games. gnome-tweaks, sure. This should be core stuff. So the dconf-editor and gnome-tweaks are both of them super important. I would like to have them. So those are the groups. So last video we ended up with, I suppose, this one. Let's see. And we decided to have xfce removed and then Cinnamon installed. Different decision now. Cinnamon gone, GNOME in. Okay. What else? Where can you find more knowledge? You can find more knowledge in a tool we're not going to develop anymore. Github, ArcoLinks, Archlinks Tweak tool. The Archlinks Tweak tool was easy, was fun. A drop down to select your desktop. The desktop is defined in desktopper pi. What was possible? Well, to install any of these. So Ctrl F GNOME. Here's the first one, which is a Polgit GNOME, so better scroll down to make it faster. Here is our settings for GNOME. This is what we think is important for GNOME. But anything from ArcoLinks is out, right? What is here? The dconf-editor. That's what is important for me. Extension manager, true. File roller is there. gnome-tweaks is there. Guake is a drop down, F12, and then the font for Alacrity. That's not important. So what I would keep is this, and then gnome-tweaks, and then GNOME, the dconf-editor, extension manager, file manager. So basically, from there to there, that's it. That's for me GNOME. And you decide to add more stuff to it. Okay, we know what to do. Now let's do it. Same information can be found within the Calamares configurations from GitHub ArcoLinks. Let's wait for everything to pop up. Then close everything. This is an installation of real metal, so it's all installed. No pop-ups anymore. Cool. Okay. Let's clean up a little bit. So this contains only Cinnamon, but previously it contained also Herfstluft. It's just a folder. The app is gone. The config is here. Delete is gone. GNOME. Okay. Ctrl-T. Not working. Super working. Terminal. Yes. Alacrity. Maybe. Yes. Okay. Maybe an update first, since this has been a while since it was updated. Just that. Okay. Then sudo pacman -s GNOME. We saw that. We did not see the GNOME extras. There's all the games and all that. Nah. dconf-editor was in there. dconf-editor. Guake was in there. What else? The gnome-tweak was in there. Okay, What else? There was something more. Let's go and have a look. Extension manager. Let's see. Well, let's first do this. Whoa, that's already enough. Because extension manager, I'm not sure if it's coming from March. In the meantime, we can have a look here. Is it coming from March? Sudo pacman -s extension manager, and it's coming from Chaotic. Haha. It's there, right? I wanted to know, is it anywhere? Is it somewhere on any repo? And thank God it's on Chaotic. What else? File roller, we forgot. An extension manager. Okay, file roller and extension manager. Dus this one, thusly, file roller and extension manager. We're now ready to go and log out and log in, but let's do another example. Let's remove now stupid cinnamon. Let's see if they're all good. The GNOME backgrounds, yeah, whatever. It's just the wallpapers. I think we're good, right? This removes cinnamon. Super X, not gonna work. This is broken. As you see, the icon just went away. Reboot. We removed the desktop that we're on. Frankly, it's amazing we're not crashing, right? We removed the actual thing we're on. Obviously, you need to reboot. Then we have GNOME. GNOME has Wayland. Wayland, does it work, does it not work? Lots of choices, choose what you want. There's a video to narrow down what you need. I mean, you can remove a package and then you see less of these drop downs. It's a choice, all right? It's a choice. I'm gonna go Xorg as Wayland and VirtualBox, right? And off we go. We are on GNOME. You take the tour or not. Let's begin. Take a right, powerful search, swipe up, down, left, right, that's it. Okay, was quick. And hey, we are where we need to be. If you fall, I'll be there. Ground. Okay, Alt-N, next wallpaper, please. Now Alt-N won't work here since keyboard shortcuts, right? So variety is there, but it's not here yet. It's not there yet. This is GNOME. You figure it out how to get something nice here. Change background. Obviously, it's gonna work as well. But I think I need to add a picture here. Let's see if I can just, well, sidetracking here a little, because the video is at an end, right? The video is done. We have GNOME. We have gnome-tweaks. Let's see. Tweaks. I'm just looking for a wallpaper. Well, extensions has moved, appearance, blah, 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 modernize, surf and arch blue. Let's take, no, yeah, sure. I could do this one like that, right? We got these. Want something else? Why not this one, right? Do you know this one? All white, not everything, but mostly. And here's the wallpaper. Seems to be a wallpaper. Enfin, wallpapers. So there you are. You have yourself a GNOME. There's a guake that we have installed. I thought, is it guake with a G, right? Guake terminal. F12 to use it. Kind of like it. A drop down. You need to design it. It's fish already present, preferences, you design it any way you see fit. And that's fun. Now we're on GNOME. And the video is 9 minutes. I mean, in 10 minutes time, Cinnamon is out, GNOME is in, add some more packages, script it so you don't need to type it anymore. Done. Cheers.